So I just did a test fit on the SS bumper, and it does fit, but the white is kind of off though. I feel like this is a little bit more of like a super like bright white, and my truck looks a little bit more like yellowish, creamish. So I'm not sure if it's like a buff maybe or a polish. They do have some swirl marks, and it is old. I'm not sure if that would bring out the white in it a little bit more. I'll probably try that. So I'm debating what I should even put on the bumper, because I'm gonna put the grill regardless, because on that you can't really tell that much since it's just a small piece. But the SS bumper, it's pretty big, so I guess I'll decide what to do right now. Or you guys could decide and let me know. Leave a comment down below, see if it looks too white, where it's very noticeable, or just drop a comment, let me know what you guys think. Alrighty guys, so I just finished putting on the grill and the little side markers. I ended up having to put the old ones on because these new ones that I originally had don't really fit. I mean, they fit, but they kind of stick out from like here, from like this little section right here. It kind of sticks out, so that's why it didn't look good. So I ended up just using the old ones that it originally had, the yellow ones. So we'll see how it looks for now. I'll just save these for later. So we're gonna be slapping it on. Also the grill, I mean, it's an old grill. I haven't cleaned it yet, so I'm gonna be doing that next, or later on, some other day. I mean, I'm cleaning up this part and also this, bringing the shine back up. But anyways, for now, let's just slap it back onto the truck and see how it looks. Alright guys, so I just put the grill on. As you can see, I think it looks a lot better. Sí, yo creo que no alcanza a pegarle, porque el de Juanito también la tenía. So I like how the grill looks. I think it looks a lot better. Now I'm going to be putting the SS bumper. So the SS bumper, I might not leave it on. Show you how it looks closed. I think it looks a lot better. Bam. So this one, you can't really tell that much that it's not the same white. It kind of like blends in a little bit more, because it's not that much of a big piece. So this looks a little bit more closer to this, as you can see. I still need to shine up the chrome and all that. So now I'm going to be trying on the actual bumper, but I don't know if I'm going to like the bumper, like I said. So I might not leave the bumper on there. I might just try it on and see how it looks. Or just, I'll let you guys decide. You guys can drop a comment down below if you guys think it looks good or not.
Tú nomás querías para que estuviera blanco allá de la defensa de atrás y eso de adelante.
Sí.
Pero no marcha, queda muy chatota fea para abajo, ¿verdad?
Sí. Alright, so that's how it looks with it
estaba
on.
más alto el de Juanito. Se ve mejor porque está altote. Claro que esta no está alta.
Sí.
Es que queda en la caseta, lo de arriba lo tiene más alto.
So that's how it is. I still have the little billet inserts that I put here where the fog lights go. And I would have to add the double-sided tape that goes here because it kind of like bulges out. So, but I'm not gonna be adding that just yet because I'm not really sure if I like it. I don't think I really like it with it on. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys, should I leave it on? Or should I remove it and just leave it stock original? So you guys, let me know what you guys think. But I'm gonna be removing it from now, and then I'll let you guys decide. Drop a comment down below. Let's see how it looks better. Let me show you how it looks without it. Alright y'all, so there it is without the SS bumper on there. So this, I'm gonna be leaving it unless you guys drop a comment down below and let me know how it looks better. I feel like it looks better like this, but let me know what you guys think. There it is, back with the original grill. That was kind of like bothering me, the fact that it didn't have it. So it looks a little bit better.